Hello everyone, welcome to the final project of CSE564. In this dashboard, we display the Airbnb listings of Hawaii, which is a popular tourist spot in the United States. Our dashboard consists of 5 visual elements. We have a pairwise scatter plot of the 10 significant attributes in our dataset. These attributes can be selected 2 at a time from this checkbox over here. This scatter plot supports brushing, which is further linked to this map over here, which is our second graphic. As you can see from the map, Hawaii comprises of 6 main islands, which we have further divided into multiple neighborhoods. Our goal is to analyze these neighborhoods and see how they differ. So our dashboard features clickable neighborhoods. These clickable neighborhoods filter the data, which is then rendered in form of a histogram showing the price per person, the word cloud showing the neighborhood overview, and this donut chart which shows the property type distribution in that particular neighborhood.
The histogram shows the distribution of listings based on the price per person. The price per person is a metric that we came up with. Airbnb listings generally list a different price than what is actually paid because of multiple overheads like cleaning fee, service fee, etc. The eventual net cost is higher than the listed price, and price per person metric captures that. So suppose we click on this island of Oahu and we click on the primary urban center. Here we can see most of the properties listed are apartments or condominiums, and we can even see the average prices. We can see that the average prices are less. They are in range of hundreds. However, if we go to some other area of Hawaii, say the southern tip of Hawaii, which is famous for its natural wonders, we see that the distribution here is pretty different. The condominiums and apartments are here in the minority. So most of the listings have more variety here. We can see a cabin, we can see a tree house. Same for the area of Puna. Here we can see there are a lot more options as compared to the city environment. The reason for this is that these areas have rich natural resources, and most of the listings here are not apartments and condominiums. So people here end up giving up their homes for Airbnb. We can also see the average prices here are much higher, and if we want, we can just see this observation using the scatter plot. So this price range of $0 to $200 shows that the low price properties are present all over the island. However, if you were to invert it, we see that the yellow dots here pop up, which show that these are the costly areas because they are mostly individual homes that have been given out for lease.
Now we will have a look at how the scatter plot helps in visualizing the bivariate relationships. So if we select beds and accommodates, we can see that there is a direct linear relationship over here, suggesting that the number of beds available with the listing and the number of guests that it can accommodate are highly correlated. Similarly, if we plot the price against the charges per extra person, and if we brush and select just the high priced properties, we observe that the most high priced properties do not charge extra if you bring a guest along. It looks like they already account for the extra guests in their high base price. Now, we'll have a look at how the word cloud helps in understanding a neighborhood better. A lot of information about the listings lies in the neighborhood overview, which is an important attribute of our dataset. In order to understand a region better, we process this text and do stop word removal to get clean text. The resulting word cloud gives a very good overall picture of the surrounding. In most cases, it is able to highlight what a particular neighborhood is famous for. So, for example, if I go to this neighborhood of Cow, I'll see Volcano National Park are the words that are being rendered by the word cloud among the other highlights of the area. Similarly, over here in the Pune region also, I see Volcano National Park as the most highlighted words. So this explains that the Volcano National Park is the key highlight of this Hawaiian island. With at least 2 active volcanoes, these neighborhoods are a popular tourist destinations, which also explains why the listings over here are so expensive. Then we can see that the South Kona neighborhood is famous for its beaches and for snorkeling along the Kona coast. Then we can see that the Hamakua region is famous for its Waipio Valley. And if we go towards the other side of Hawaii, we'll see that this Waimea Kekaha region is famous for the Waimea Canyon. It's also good for watching sunsets. Then, if we go towards the city center, so the primary urban center has the famous Waikiki beach. It is also famous for shopping. Similarly, if we go to the central Ohio region, it is also pretty urban, but it has a famous plantation as well. So, overall, word cloud just gives us a very good idea about what a particular neighborhood is about, and it might help you choose your stay. So, this is it. Thank you for watching.